In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Roku TV guest mode. Step 1. Access guest mode. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down to System and select Guest Mode. Follow the prompts to enable guest mode. Step 2. Customize guest access. Specify the duration of guest access. Guests can log in with their own streaming accounts. You can set up an automatic logout date. Step 3. Monitor guest usage. Guests can stream without affecting your saved preferences. Easily exit guest mode after their stay. Restore your settings by disabling guest mode. So that is how you use guest mode on your Roku TV. It's really handy and I advise you to use it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to help you.